To fix download folders not responding on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys if you're facing a trouble where your download folders is not responding, how you can fix it. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your command prompt on your laptop. So just go ahead and search for CMD and then run as administrator. Click on yes and your command prompt will open. So the very first command that you want to enter here is this one, dism.exe space. Don't forget to put space here slash online space slash cleanup dash image slash restore health. So I'm just going to copy this right now and then paste it right here. Once you do that, press enter and it will start the restoration process. You just have to wait for a bit, and once this is done, you just close it out and then restart your PC. And once you do that, you again have to boot up your PC and open your command prompt again. Run it as administrator one more time. Click on yes, and you just have to enter the second command now, sfc space scan now. So I'm just going to copy it and paste it right here. Press enter and it will start the scanning process. So you just have to wait for the scan to be complete, and then after that you should be good to go. And once the scan is complete, you just give your PC a quick restart once again and your problem should be fixed. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.